Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Can I borrow this?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's quite cold.
Do you like this?
Yes, I love it.
Do you need this?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in United States.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it's raining.
What's for lunch?
We're having sandwiches.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you play with me?
Yes, let's play.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am.
What's this?
It's a book.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
Can I have water?
Yes, here you go.
Is it your turn?
Yes, it's my turn.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Where are my shoes?
They're under the table.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
Can I join you?
Yes, of course.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I think I do.
Can you open the door?
Yes, I can.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine.
Do you need help?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs.
Are you busy?
Yes, a little busy.
Is this your book?
Yes, it's mine.
Do you want to play?
Yes, I do.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing a picture.
Is it noisy outside?
Yes, it's very noisy.
Can you give me that?
Yes, here you go.
Do you like this movie?
Yes, it's great.
Where's your brother?
He's in his room.
Are you going to the park?
Yes, I am.
Is it late?
Yes, it's already 10 p.m.
Can you see the stars?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Is it your birthday today?
Yes, it is.
Do you like candy?
Yes, I love it.
Can I use your pen?
Yes, you can.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Is this your friend?
Yes, this is my friend.
Can you show me?
Yes, come here.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, it is.
What's your favorite game?
I like football.
Are you going to the market?
Yes, I am.
Can I see your drawing?
Yes, here it is.
Do you enjoy singing?
Yes, I do.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes, a little.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about dinner.
Is it time to go?
Yes, it's time to go.
Can you fix this?
I'll try my best.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I enjoy summer.
Can you hear the music?
Yes, it's loud.
Is this your car?
No, it's not mine.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun.
Can you read this for me?
Yes, I can.
Is it safe here?
Yes, it's safe.
Are you coming back soon?
Yes, I'll be back soon.
Do you like this color?
Yes, it's nice.
Can I have some juice?
Yes, here you go.
Are you tired of waiting?
Yes, a little.
Do you want to watch TV?
Yes, let's watch.
Is it too spicy for you?
Yes, it's very spicy.
Can you give me a hand?
Yes, of course.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's great.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love them.
Is your homework done?
Yes, it's finished.
Can I take this chair?
Yes, you can.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Is it your favorite book?
Yes, I have read it many times.
Can you tell me a story?
Yes, I'd love to.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Is this jacket yours?
No, it's not mine.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, let's go.
Can I join the game?
Yes, come and play.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I'll join you.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's very sunny.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I do.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can.
Is it fun to play this game?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I am.
Do you need a break?
Yes, I need to rest.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I'm very fast.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they're challenging.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.